There's something about the handcrafting process that is just really special. Anything you make can be beautiful because it's telling a story. So my name is Caroline, and I've been making jewelry for quite a long time now. I also teach workshops on how to make jewelry, and it's wonderful and social and a lot of fun. I fell into jewelry making a little bit by accident. I went to school for music, and when I decided on not pursuing music as a career, I wasn't sure what to do. And then I got very interested in the jewelry making because you're starting with raw materials, you're working with metal, with fire, with air, with water, and you're blending all of these things. So it really does feel like the process of creation. Everybody is so unique in how they approach things and what they create. And there's something about the handcrafting process that is just really special. It's slow, it's steady, it's very ancient, but it's also kind of modern at the same time. And I think people really enjoy it because time stands still for a few moments. You get completely involved in what you're doing and the creative process, and a lot of times designs take on a life of their own as you're working with them. And you walk away with something beautiful. There's a whole lot of life lessons wrapped up in learning to make something. There's so much to learn in it that you could really do it for a lifetime and not have explored all of it. And so I like that it's an ongoing journey. My favorite thing about teaching is how many friendships have come out of it, how many wonderful people, and how much enjoyment people have creating something with your hands. My classes are really a blend of some technical aspects, so they're usually project-based. So we have a structure and we have projects and we have certain techniques, and I'll demo a lot of things and then have people try them and try to apply them. But within that structure, I give a lot of freedom because I think people learn best when they're trying to make something that they've seen in their mind's eye. Once they can have those little basics around those steps, they can sort of build and add their own little special touches. There's something so enjoyable about that transformative process. It's almost therapeutic to melt things, create, to hammer and project, and then build something back up, and then at the end see it transform into something really shining and finished and beautiful. Anything you make really can be beautiful. It doesn't have to be technically perfect to be beautiful and to be wearable and to be actually the most sentimental and enjoyed piece out of the whole collection because it's telling a story. It's not only telling a story, but it's carrying all of these little experiences of the making with it.
And then all of a sudden you look down and you're like, oh, I have a full scarf made. Nobody's left here and not been able to do it.